Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make money on a crypto miner Tycoon. Now the first thing you do when you launch your app, if you've been offline, come here and watch the free ad, okay, to double your earnings all the time. There you go, I just received 450 trillion. Okay, let's go ahead and close this. Now, let me show you where I've actually reached. I even have my own ICO. I can upgrade this literally to 103 levels. This is what I suggest you to do, okay? Look at this. I upgrade that. I even get 10 crypto coin for that. Okay? Now, they are going to invite us to these events. You can go to that later. We have our own ICO. Now, every 20 minutes, about 20 minutes, I get 3 trillion from this. You see, I have basically multiplied my money. Now, once we have unlocked these, okay? I'll also go ahead and get these. Try to get each, crypto to 100 levels at least. Okay, that is ideal. Then come here and hire managers. So I need to hire a manager for my ICO. Click on this icon. So we need to get Eric Lee to work with us. Costs only 100 billion. And I basically automated everything now. So once I close this, okay, you'll see that this now becomes automated. So if I leave this for a day, just from this one, I'll get 216 trillion. And that does not even include these other ones. Okay? And if I come here and click on this icon, you'll see we can multiply this. Right? So investor community, the ICO profits, I can multiply by 3 just by buying the upgrade. So I'll buy this, and once I come back, look at this. I just closed this. It's very cheap to buy it. I come back and now I'm suddenly making, instead of 3 trillion and 9 trillion. Okay. Now in one day, I basically make 648 trillion. And what I also suggest you to do is speed these up. Come here, click on speed up, watch the ad. You get double the speed for each. Okay. So instead of it costing, 20 minutes, it would cost only 10 minutes. And you can also boost your earnings as well. Okay, for 4 hours, you can double it. And you can watch multiple ads like this and make more money. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.